Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to go ahead and connect your WooCommerce store with Apple Pay. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WooCommerce platform that you're using. In my case, it's WordPress. You're probably using WordPress as well. So open it up, and from here, from this main page, we can get started with accessing the plugins in the left side of the screen, where we can find all the WooCommerce plugins we have used to set up our store. Now we're going to go and take a look at our WooPayments plugins. Here at the WooCommerce.com website, you have the extensions tab at the top of the screen, where you can go and open up the extensions marketplace, and from here we can find all the extensions we can use. And the most often one that's going to be recommended to you is WooPayments, because WooPayments supports all of the payment options and Apple Pay is one of them. So if you install WooPayments into your WooCommerce store by clicking the Add to Store option right here, it's going to install it and let you integrate it with your store that you have set up on WordPress. You also have WooCommerce subscriptions and payments directly from the plugin section right here, but basically this is going to enable you to go ahead and use payments on your website. What you can also do is use the Stripe extension. Stripe also offers payments with Apple Pay, so maximize revenue with a new checkout from Stripe. You can also click Add to Store right here and then follow the steps after you have installed extensions step by step, and you have the documentation right here as well to install it to your store. If you need any more help, just click the Get Support option right here and talk with somebody who works there, and they're going to walk you through step by step how to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.